In this video, you'll learn how to share Higgsfield AI videos on social media. By following these steps, you will successfully share your content with your audience across various platforms. Begin by navigating to the Higgsfield AI video generator in Image Generator. You can do this by entering the URL for the Higgsfield website in your web browser. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface with options for generating videos and images. Next, locate the section labeled All Assets on the home page. You will find it prominently displayed, and clicking on it will take you to a new page that lists all your available assets, including videos and images. After that, click on the All option to view all your assets. This action will reveal a comprehensive list of everything you have created or saved within the Higgsfield platform. Once this appears, select the Liked section. This area contains all the assets you have marked as favorites, making it easier to find content you wish to share. Then navigate to the Tools option. Clicking this will provide you with various tools for managing assets, including options for sharing. Following this, click on Image to view your saved images. This step is necessary to ensure you are selecting the correct type of. Now, click on Video to access your video assets. It is important to ensure you are in the right section to find the video you want to share. After that, click on Lip Sync to view videos that specifically utilize lip sync features. This will help narrow down your selection if you are looking for a specific type of video. Next, click on Upscaled to find videos that have been enhanced for better quality. This can be particularly useful if you want to share high quality content. Then select Personal Projects to view videos you've created for personal use. This section may contain videos that are ideal for sharing with friends or family. Following this, click on Team Projects to access collaborations or group projects. These videos may be suitable for professional sharing on social media. Once you've explored those options, click on All to see every available video asset once again. This helps ensure you don't miss any videos you may want to share. At this point, choose the specific video you wish to share. Make sure to verify the video title and thumbnail to confirm it is the correct asset. Finally, click on Share to initiate the sharing process. A new window will open, allowing you to select the social media platforms you wish to share the video on. Once you have selected your preferred platforms, follow any additional prompts to complete the sharing process. Keep in mind that larger video files may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed, and ensure that you have sufficient storage available on the chosen platform to facilitate the upload. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.